Bree. Bree, where are the candles?
Candles.
What do you do with them? What do you do with the candles? You gonna put it back together?
There.
Can you put a candle in? Where do the candles go? Hey Bree, where's the candles go? Mommy don't know. Where's it go? Where does it go? What do you do with it? Does it go in the cake? Does it go in the cake?
Goats.
Put one in the cake. Can you show Mommy how to blow the candle out? Yay! What do you do with the candle? Do you blow them? Yeah.
Cake.
Can you blow it while it's on the cake? Blow out your candles.
Sean.
You putting them in the right color holes?
Hose. Good.
Yeah.
There. Remember.
Can you show Mommy how to blow the candle? Blow the candles out. Yeah.
Off.
Off. Now you go take a cake apart. Yeah.